Welcome. In this guide, we're diving into custom objects, a brand new feature designed to make your data tracking more efficient and flexible. Whether you're managing transactions, loans, or other key metrics, custom objects allow you to tailor the platform to your business needs. Let's explore how to set them up and use them effectively. Hi there, I'm here to walk you through the basics of custom objects, recently released for GoHighLevel's agency plan users. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create, associate, and manage custom objects to streamline your operations. Let's get started. Step 1. Navigate to the Custom Objects section. To begin, log in to your account and navigate to the Settings tab. Above the Custom Fields section, you'll see the Objects option. This is where custom objects are created. Note that currently, custom objects can only be used for contacts, but updates for opportunities pipelines may be on the way.
All right, everybody. So as you can see inside of my mortgage account, I have already built out a custom object. I've labeled it as my transactions. In order for me to track transactions, you could see I've assigned a couple different contacts to this specific object. So I'm going to show you guys how to build that. First, you're going to navigate to the Settings tab right here. And right above the Custom Field section, we have Objects. And this is where the custom objects are created. Okay. Now, as it stands, objects are only going to be custom objects for contacts. We do not have custom objects yet for the opportunities pipeline. I'm sure that's coming down the way, but you will see contacts only.
Step 2, create your custom object. Click on Add Custom Object and give it a name. For example, if you're tracking loans, you might name it Loans with a primary display field like Loans in Escrow. Choose the field type, such as a single line field, and select an appropriate icon like a house. Add a description for clarity and click Create Custom Object.
I'm going to click Add Custom Object. I've already built one called Transactions, so I'm going to call this one as Loans. So loan for singular, I'm going to move it to plural and type in loans. Okay. And for my primary display field name, I'm going to call this one, let's just say loans in escrow. Okay. The field type is going to be a single line field type. For my icon, I can go ahead and select, let's say a house, as I did before, right there. Tracking my loans in escrow here for my description. Okay. And then I'm going to click Create Custom Object.
Step 3, set up associations. Once your object is created, assign associations to link it with relevant contacts. Click on the triple dot menu next to your object and select Edit. In the top left corner, you'll find the Associations button. Create associations like borrowers, buyer's agents, or listing agents. Configure the relationship so multiple contacts can be associated with a single object. Save your changes to finalize the setup.
You need to assign associations with it. Okay. And so for instance, on my on this one here, I can click on the triple dot and I can click the edit button, and that's going to take me to this section here. You will see that right on the top left there is a button that says associations. You'll need to click on that, and then you'll need to create an association. Okay. Now I have already created one, like I said before, for transactions. So I'm going to create a new contact, and this would be my borrowers. Okay. So these are who I'm going to assign as the borrower to the transaction. And it's going to be a signal label right here. And you can configure right here the relationship. So again, you can see many contacts can be labeled as a borrower. Okay. I'm going to click the Save button. And now I'm going to add my buyer's agent. Okay. I'm making it plural because I already have a label created for this. But I'm going to click Save. And now I'm going to create another association for listing agent. Okay, listing agents.
Step 4. Add fields and populate data. Next, click on Manage Fields to add relevant fields for your custom object. These fields will display your associations, making data tracking easier. For example, you might add fields for transactional addresses or loan amounts. Once the fields are added, click Add Loan or the equivalent button to populate your data. Input details such as the address, owner, and associated contacts, then save.
And click Save. So, on my custom object, I now have borrowers, I have the buyer's agents, and the listing agents. So when I go here, right here, you'll see that I've already created this one here. So I'm going to go to loans. One of the things that I would highly recommend doing is when you click into this section right here, I would click the Manage Fields button, and I would add the following fields right here, so that way you can see your associations. I didn't do this the first time and I was trying to figure out where that was, so make sure that you guys click on the Manage Fields section and add in those fields that we just created. Okay, you'll see them right here. Now I'm going to click Add Loan, and my loan in escrow, so let's just say 234 Main Street is my transactional address. I'm going to do 234 Main Street. Click my Save button right here.
Step 5. Access associations and contacts. After setting up your custom object, navigate to a contact profile. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Associations tab. This section shows which transactions or custom objects the contact is linked to, helping you track all related data efficiently. Refresh your screen if the associations don't appear immediately.
And you can now see that this has been created. I can add myself as the owner. I can click the Save button, and now I can add my association. So these would be the contact fields that we created, right? So let's just say Jonathan Ferrell is my borrower right here. I can add another field. Let's click this one here and say Tanya is my agent. She's my buyer's agent right there. And let's just say Tess McTesterson is my listing agent. So I can select his specific association. Okay. Once that has been done, you can click on the button right here. You will now see that you have your loans in escrow, the date created, updated, and also all the ownership information. Test is not there for some reason, but he should be there. He is there on my transaction list right here. Okay, there's Tess McTesterson. Okay, so now, and when you now click into a contact, so let's just say, for instance, I am clicking into my contact right here. Get out of here, Dub. And on this contact right here on this right-hand side, you will see now this associations tab. Okay, and the associations tab is going to show you which transaction this customer is affiliated with, or which custom object this customer is affiliated with. Now, I have not refreshed my screen, but Jonathan Ferrell is my borrower. He's located under transactions. I just created loans in escrow. If I refresh my screen, there will be two types of transactions or two types of custom objects that have been created. One of them will have been for the transactions tab, and then also loans in escrow.
Tips for success. Ensure you add all necessary fields when managing custom objects for clear associations. Regularly refresh your screen to see updates in associations and data fields. Use clear descriptive names for objects and associations to maintain organized data. Benefits of custom objects. Flexibility. Tailor the CRM to meet specific business needs. Efficient data tracking. Track transactions, loans, and other metrics with ease. Enhanced organization. Link contacts to relevant data for streamlined operations. Congratulations! You now know how to create and manage custom objects in GoHighLevel. This powerful feature lets you customize your CRM to better suit your needs, making client and data management easier than ever. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.